Dust and mold, pollution and pollen, the allergy sufferer's nemesis. We might think the air around us is pretty clean, but if we look closer, we realize it's full of tiny particles that can affect our health. The Pura 121 is an air purifier by Swedish company Blue Air, with a design squarely aimed at minimalism. It has a single one-button touch-sensitive control and a sleek and modern design that doesn't compromise its performance. At the heart of it is an ultra-quiet, high-efficiency fan that uses between 30 and 60 watts, depending on the speed you choose and how big a space you want to purify. It's a simple concept with a large activated carbon filter in the bottom and a fan on top. The fan draws dirty air in through all four sides of the filter and pushes clean air out the top. The instructions say not to lift it by the fan because the bottom might separate and fall. They recommend lifting it like this, but I find it a bit awkward to move it from room to room this way. For me, it's just easier to carry it like this. I do wish they made the latches that connect the top and bottom stronger and added some slits near the top to act as handles. It comes with blue and dark grey washable fabric covers, or you can use it without a cover if you prefer that clean white look. But you will lose one layer of filtration as the cover catches large particles like pet hair. The covers are really nice, they're high quality, they're elasticated and they're easy to change. Once you have the new cover on, you just set the fan unit back on top, push down and the latches will click to lock. A single touch button controls the 3 speed modes and a light tells you which setting you're on. I love the simplicity. At night, the light is too bright to sleep with, so they solved this by having the light dim after a few seconds. Smart. The filter lasts about 6 months and it has 4 sides, which means it purifies the space in 360 degrees. It filters out 99% of airborne pollutants, mold, dust, smoke, pollen, and pet dander. And it completely eradicates odors and leaves the home smelling of nothing but fresh air. It's not the cheapest purifier out there, but in my opinion, it's one of the best. It really does what it promises. I've had mine running through peak hay fever season, and it's made a huge difference to the air quality in my home. If you have allergies or asthma, you might want to give this a try. It just might make it easier to breathe.